Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. So, in front of you all, I will show you my portfolio. In the first, maybe this is my list of contents. The first is introduction, second is education, third is my project, the five is certification, and the five experience. Okay, go to the introduction. Okay, my name is Viral Faki. I was born in Depok in 2006 and currently study in Eden Boarding School. And I deeply study about Kotlin and mobile development. And my skill is maybe for what deeply for just in the this language is Kotlin for the Android Studio, and the second is Dart for Flutter. Okay, going to do my education. In my junior high school, I'm in Eden Boarding School too, but yeah, I learned the basic of programming using of Kotlin and IoT programming language, and the basic of creating good designs. And in high school, in Eden Boarding School, when I was in vocation school, I chose software engineer, which was more in deep as a mobile developer, and I learned about Kotlin and Dart. Okay. Go to the project. This is my first project in the semester 1. It's about Doa and Zikr app. Is show you about some feature, this news or some dakwah. And this is the sunnah Qobliyah and Zikir and pray salat. And this feature is have zikir after salat and zikir and daily pray, and the last is zikir in the morning and in the evening. So yeah, in here I create by the Kotlin Android Studio with for this project is because this is my first project in mobile apps, so I think it's my very simple. For the project, yeah, you can see, just have the button, view pager, and just recycle view for more information about the zikir. Okay, go to the next project. It's my second project for news app, and my name application is Newsbreeze. Is more difficult, not like before, because this project I use API and some feature that I think is very hard to use, like search bar. Yeah, it can make your brain is brown out, and I use the some app bar and tab too, so I can spread the theme in here, like a common, entertainment, sport, and warning. See, in the first page is this image is telling about the some feature is search bar. Yeah, like you can see this. I type some text is One Piece, and the app is search about news around of One Piece, like this minute One Piece and more, and Netflix One Piece and blah blah blah. And here the home screen of the this the news. You can see this. If you click some news, is can like this. And here for the home screen have the some tab in here for spread the many tabs like common, like before, entertainment, sport, and warning. And every time is have news. And yeah, I'm create this with Kotlin, with Android Studio. And my third project is, it's difficult too because it's used to API for create this project. And for UI, I think it's good. It's enough for now. So maybe first I tell about the middle one. Oh no, maybe the left side is the homepage about the Quran app. Yeah, you can see this have a list of surah like Al-Fatihah, Al-Baqarah, Al-Imran, and other. And in the right side, this my application is have two feature. The first is Quran, and the second is Azan. Yeah, this use your location too is have permit your phone use location, so this can relate in your now. Yeah, like Imsak in Bogor Sukanegara, Kecamatan Jonggol. In Friday, 1 December is have a subuh in here, Zuhur, Asar, Maghrib, Isya. Okay, and one feature again in the middle image, is can playing audio. So, and this audio is one surah. Yeah, like if you're click in Al-Fatihah, and this surat Al-Fatihah, just Al-Fatihah, ayah per ayah. So the audio is just what work in just one ayah, not one surah. Okay, and this I create with the Kotlin too. And the next, this my project in the third, but is like in the first project too, is common or easier, like not like before. It's Koki Creative, so it's my project, personal project. Yeah, I think like that. So I just use some card in here. So this project is like how to make some simple meal like nasi goreng cup and martabak mini, kebab, and others, like a simple one. And in the right side, this like in the component like one bowl of rice, one bowl of egg, one spoon of tea of sauce, another this of item you use for making a nasi goreng cup, and this how you can create the nasi goreng cup. And this have some feature important too. It's share, so you can share this recipe to your family or friend with this button, and this recipe can share to your family. Okay, and this my book project is about foundation of Kotlin. So it's a basic of the Kotlin, like arithmetica, logic, basic logic, and other. So I think this book is train the newbie about the Kotlin to the maybe not go to the intermediate, but I think it's enough for just about the fundamentals. Okay, and this my certificate. I have another both of this, but I cannot drop in this portfolio. But the first one is about starting programming with the Kotlin. So this certificate I get because I'm complete the course from the decoding. And the decoding not just give you the certificate if you're finished or the complete the course, but the decoding is test you again in the last. So the decoding is give you the some test or the project. So if your project is bad or get the reject, you cannot get the certificate. And the second is learn make application Android for the begin. So in this certificate, I learned about how to create first mobile project. Like in another one is Koki Creative. Yeah, this is my project for I get the decoding this. Not like this, yeah, this just basic fundamental about the Kotlin, okay? Maybe I want to tell you my experience. The first experience is I'm teaching in Al-Andalus. This is my first teaching in IDN or in my life, yeah. And in there, I teach about the basic HTML and CSS, just in vanilla CSS. But I think it's useful because if you want to use the framework or another language, this can help you. Okay, thank you for your attention. This is my portfolio. Maybe if a little wrong or less in my portfolio, I'm sorry. Okay, thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.